Guys, how fun it is to be a teacher. I'm enjoying it here. I've sent my students. Now I'm up here, up the slope, and they are down there. Let me show you. These kids really love outdoor activities. There they are. They are visiting a practical, and I'm here waiting. Actually, they are so noisy, and they are far. The school farm is big. They are quite far from here. But yeah, I'm loving it here because no pressure. Can you guys imagine me as a PE teacher? I'm the PE teacher here, so nani huyo anaanguka? Nimesimama hapa juu najua watu wanataka kula maembe. Kunao wameokota?
One eternity later.
Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. Oh, the audacity of that captain. Mimi?
I want to show it off.
Guys, I'm with my colleagues. Hii ni vlog. Akimeri baby mbona umetunga? Ni mimi nawachukua mkikuja. Wow, guys. The views are giving. Na karive hapo. Yani this is the best place to spend your Valentines, eh?
With money or without money?
Exactly. Budget friendly. Look at the venue, guys. The views are giving. Look at the balloons. Yani miti imekuwa decorated na kafiri. Sine kemero kuleta YouTube. It's good. It feels good, by the way, to hang around a river. I want to show you guys the views behind me. Guys, I am home. One chick is so loud. I don't know why she's complaining. Let's see what's wrong, Bana. Hey, don't run. Murife, don't run. What's up, mother hen? Why are you shouting? What's up? What's going on? She's caged in here. I think she's stressed. Guys, let's see. There are some fruits I love eating here. By the way, you guys, do you know which vegetables are these? Ebu comment down and tell me. Zenye uchoma mtu akiguza. But yo, these are the fruits I'm going for. I'm coming for. But I don't know what happened to this tree. Ni kama imepewa support huku na huku. It's like it was getting broken or something. Yeah. These are what we call cucumanga. I've never even bothered to know how these fruits are called in English, by the way. I'm going carefully not to step on the vitungu, the green onions. Yep, so I can see they are not yet grown, and some have even become bad. I'm the only one who loves eating these fruits here. It's like today is not my lucky day. Oh, and it's the maize season. Yo. Anyway, let's go and look for another fruit. Mangoes. Guys, it's on a Sunday afternoon. That's how you can see me in my Sunday best. There is the mango tree. Wait, it's down. But Simbali sana. Anyway, let's go and get some mangoes. I am back in my house. It's now at night. I want to prepare supper very quickly, and this is gonna be a simple meal, Kenyan dish.
You make me float.